ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
92% of people are found to give and pay money or give and pay bribe in their first time. In 2017, it was recorded by our Transparency International that India was at the first point, at the first place out of 180 countries in terms of corruption. It's very bad for our country, my friend. It's very bad for us and our country, my friends. It's very bad. Because actually the Transparency International announced that it is the corruption prevention index that India was at the first place in our 180 countries. And now, after looking at this important topic, we can make a conclusion that there is responsible for having corruption in our country. That is, I will tell you one by one. That is, lack of better paying salaries in the government jobs. Most of the government employees in our India are receiving their salary very low, and hence they can opt for corruption for their own financial benefit. So it's very important point to do that discussion. That's what we discuss here. And second thing, lack of distinct and fast punishment. In our India, if someone got red-handed, the government get less punishment. And if the arrested person is the government, then he can easily save himself by paying bribe to the police department. And if that arrested person is not a government, he is an officer, then what will happen? First, he or she will be suspended for 2 weeks or months, and after that, he or she will be reposted in the same job level to another person. It's the level of corruption in India, you can see. And next is, absence of any political party. As you know that our India is a democratic country, anyone can establish his own political party. So there are chances to election of any political party. There are chances to election of any political party. If once the party wins, then the party members will definitely desire to expand the party in our own country. And that's why they need more financial reserve and they can opt for the corruption. And as I told you, in political corruption, a lot of types of reserves in political corruption that are handling the corruption by political party. And along with this, there are lots of type of topics that are responsible for having corruption in our country. Just like lack in unity public, lack in transparency of candidates, lack in accountability, lack in digital coordination, lack in independent agency. Okay. Before we go to my aim of the speech, which I made myself, I would like to ask you a question. That what you will do? What you will do if you go to buy a train ticket and you find that the train ticket is dead? Then what you will do? Would you buy ticket in black? If you would not buy, this was your greatness and your tolerance towards corruption. But what about that for buying the ticket in black? Basically, this was your illegal mistake towards corruption. So, let's see, friend, this is the condition that can force you to do corruption in our country. This is the reason, as I told you in the starting of this speech. So from here, the most important question is arising from here. That is, how the corruption can be removed from our country, or how the corruption can be stopped from our country. So I want to tell you that let's think of that you are going to remove corruption from our country, and let's carry on our duty. Thank you for the time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अगर आप अपना उज्जवल भविष्य बनाना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए आप आज ही आइए, कल पर मत डालिए। हमारा पता है
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।